Hi everybody, good morning. This is Nikki with Angry Cat Crafts. Today is Sunday, July 14th, and guess what? We have hit over 200 subscribers, so you know what that means. It is time to do another giveaway. I am so excited, and I thank you all so much for coming along with me on this journey of YouTube and just meeting new people and having a lot of fun. I really do appreciate you, everyone who has subscribed. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. Hit that notification bell. That way you are informed every time I upload a new video. I do want to say thank you to some people who gave me some shout outs. The first one is Terry at the Yarn Joy podcast. She is an amazing lady, so if you haven't already checked out her channel, please go over there and show her some love. Second is Jenny with Jenny's Arts and Crafts. She's also an amazing lady, and she makes some really neat amigurumis. And also Allison at Mommy's Life. She is just a sweetheart, and you really need to go over and check her out. So thank you to you all for giving me a shout out. I do truly appreciate that. And now on to the 200 subscriber giveaway and what's going to be in the box. So I have this medium flat rate box and it's filled to the brim. So let's see what we've got. I filled it up to make sure everything fit in there. The first box I had was too small. All right, so the first thing is going to be this 3-pack of Charisma Marble, which is loops and threads, and Michael's brand. 60 yards and is called, let's see, 60 yards, 3 ounces, number 6, super bulky, takes a size L crochet hook, and I'm just trying to see what the color is. Which I can't see. But it's this purple marbled color. Three brand new in the pack. So that will be in the giveaway box. Next we have Premier Everyday Anti-Pilling 100% acrylic. This is in the colorway Sage Heather. It's a number 4 medium weight. Takes a size I crochet hook. It's 180 yards and 3.5 ounces. So you get 3 brand new in the bag. Very pretty color. Next we have a 3-pack of Red Hearts Unforgettable Waves, and this is in the colorway Menagerie. It is also a number 4 weight, takes an I crochet hook, and these are 3.5 ounces, 100 grams, 119 yards. And look at those colors. Isn't that pretty? So that again is Red Heart Unforgettable Waves. Brand new in the pack. So that's 9 skeins of yarn. I also have one of my traveler's notebooks that I've made. I love making these. So you get one of those. Whoops. Got caught on my ring. So you get that. You will get a notepad, magnetic, for the fridge, because we never have enough of these. And you get a small project bag that says you can change the world. So that is going to be everything in my 200 subscriber giveaway. And in order to be entered into the giveaway, you must like the video, you must be a subscriber, and you have to make sure that your privacy settings are on public, because if it's not, then I cannot see that you are subscribed to my channel. So I've been doing, since I started doing videos on YouTube, I've been looking into like the backside of YouTube and how it works, and there's a section where you can look at all your analytics. So I've been trying to get myself accustomed or acclimated to that, and I noticed that 50% of my subscribers have their notification bells set to receive all notifications. So if when you hit subscribe, if you don't hit the bell and then hit all, you will not be notified each time I upload a new video. So make sure that when you subscribe, you just hit subscribe and then you hit all, so that you get all the notifications, and that your subscriber settings are to public, so we can see that you are truly subscribed to our channel. So again, you must be a subscriber, you must like the video. If at all possible, if you can share this video, I would truly appreciate it. It's certainly not a requirement, but if you can, that would be fantastic. And the question that I have for you this time is, have you started your Christmas crafting yet? And if so, what are you making? Simple. The giveaway is going to start today, again, Sunday, July 14th, and it will end on Sunday, July 28th. And I will announce the winner on Monday, July 29th. So again, this is my 200 subscriber giveaway. Thank you so much. I really hope that you are enjoying my content, and because I've really been enjoying doing these videos and interacting with everybody. So again, thank you so much. I hope you guys are going to have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon.